Hey guys! I saw this gorgeous granny square pattern on Pinterest and I was searching for a video tutorial but I couldn't find one. So I figured out how to make it myself, how to crochet it myself, and here we are, I'm making a tutorial for you. For the materials you will need 4 different colors of yarn, a pair of scissors, a hook that matches your yarn. The first round is the same as a classic granny square, so I'm going to skip that part, but if you don't know how to make a classic granny square, I have already a video tutorial for that on my channel. The second round, start by inserting your yarn into the middle double crochet of the 3 double crochets from the previous round. And then chain 4. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet and the extra chain counts as the chain 1 space for this round. Then make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Now for the corners. In the corner stitch work 1 double crochet, chain 1, another 1 double crochet, chain 2, another 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 last double crochet, all in the same corner stitch. Repeat those steps for all the granny square sides. So at this point the pattern might not look so smooth, but trust me, at the end it will look like this. The third row will be almost like the classic granny square. Insert your yarn into one of the edges and then chain 3. The chain 3 will count like a double crochet. After that, double crochet in the same space, chain 2, and crochet another 2 double crochets, all in the same space. Next, work 3 double crochets in each space from the previous round, as indicated. For round 4, repeat round 2, working into the 3 double crochet spaces from the previous round. Start from the corner and then chain 4, the 3 chains will count like a double crochet and plus 1 chain. Next you will double crochet in the same space, you will chain 2, double crochet again in the same space, chain 1 and then one final double crochet in the same space. Next step, insert your hook into the 3 double crochet gaps formed from the previous row. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and then another 1 double crochet in the same space. Continue like this until the end of the row. Now for row number 5 we just have to repeat the steps of row number 3. It's exactly the same thing. And that's it. I hope this video helped you to crochet a beautiful Solstice Granny Square. Show some love to my channel by subscribing and liking this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye!